Is using Timeshift a good idea for Linux Mint users? The short answer, yes, Timeshift is an excellent tool for Linux Mint users, especially if you're looking for a reliable way to protect your system from unexpected issues. Here's why Timeshift is a great fit for Linux Mint. Recover from instability. Made a big system update and now everything's breaking? Timeshift helps you revert to a working state in just a few clicks. Safety net for experiments, trying out new software or crazy configurations. Snap a Timeshift backup first and quickly restore your system if something goes wrong. Guard against user error. We've all been there, accidentally messing with critical files. Timeshift ensures those oops moments don't become permanent. Easy to use. Thanks to its simple interface, you don't need to be a Linux pro to set up Timeshift or restore backups. Alternatives to consider. If Timeshift doesn't feel quite right for your needs, here are some solid alternatives. rsync, best for those who need flexibility and don't mind manual setup. Borg backup, efficient for long-term storage and encryption, but requires more technical knowledge. Back in Time, a more user-friendly tool offering snapshot capabilities with a GUI. Clonezilla, great for disk imaging but not ideal for frequent incremental backups. Snapper, perfect if you're on a distro like OpenSUSE and want file system level snapshots. When to use Timeshift. Timeshift shines in the following scenarios. Before installing system updates. When experimenting with new applications or changes. After spotting unexpected system behavior or errors. Anytime you want peace of mind knowing you can undo critical changes. Final thoughts. For Linux Mint users, Timeshift offers a balance of simplicity and reliability. It's like having an undo button for your entire system. If you're seeking an easy way to stay protected without daily technical deep dives, Timeshift is a no-brainer. Pro tip: pair Timeshift with an external drive to ensure your snapshots are safe, even if your internal drive fails. Want to explore more tools like Timeshift, or need help setting it up? Drop a comment below or share your thoughts. Hey, to contact me, use the secure contact form on guyrcook.com. If you like this content, found it helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe for more valuable content on digital marketing and other things. It's a wrap.